What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 2 and today I'll be going to talk about how to get a reply from your Telegram bot. For example, in the last tutorial we have seen how to create, how to set up, how to integrate the connection between your Python code and Telegram bot, and after that we have seen how to send a random message. Okay, so in this tutorial we'll see once you send something, how the bot is going to react. Okay, so or probably we want to see to get some sort of response from the bot. Okay, so in the last tutorial we have did everything from a Telegram channel or Telegram group. Okay, so sometimes it's very confusing, so I'm not going to discuss it in detail in this video, maybe some other time. But in this tutorial it will be primarily focused on how to get a response from your Telegram bot. Like first you have to send something and after that to get a response. Okay, or probably you can make it like whatever message you are sending, you want to get it back from the bot. So how to do that? Okay, so that we'll see in this video. Okay, so first thing first, like last tutorial we have did everything from the API point of view. Now we have a something kind of a like a Python module of the same API is already available, and for that you have to first set up your bot, which we already did. Second part will be this is going to be the primarily requirement. So I have already installed this thing. So before you guys are going to try out this tutorial, try to install this thing, or else this will not work. So probably we'll get some error. I'm not showing you the code, definitely you will be doing it in few minutes. So that time probably you guys will get some error. So you have to install this pip install Python Telegram bot. In a short form it is known as PTB. Okay, so next thing is that this bot's APIs and everything is available in this here. You can get some documentation, and after that this connection and other things. Okay, so and today's use case will be like this, get reply from Telegram bot. So I'll be going to put some code over here. If the code length is like bigger than this width, then probably definitely GitHub will be there. So, and here probably I can write some line, but again GitHub is always there, and you guys will get always not always, you guys will get all the help from the GitHub. Okay, so let's switch on to my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so in this tutorial what I did actually, so I've created an environment file, and there actually I put my bot API token and other stuff. So I'm not going to show this thing here, but definitely you guys can set up something like this. Okay, so maybe I can show you how to set up this thing. So probably you guys can create something like this. Okay, and after that okay, so I don't know, I messed up something, I don't know, just give me a moment. Probably I just created a same file again. So okay, so I don't know what I did. So maybe I can create something sample.txt, and after that probably you guys can do something like that in your env file. So something like this, and after that just random whatever API key you have to write this. Okay, so this is going to be very simple. Okay, so that will be used to get our API key for the bot. Okay, so now next thing will be, let's create botbot.py, and now we'll be going to start writing our code. Okay, so first of all we have to import our API key from the environment file. So for that probably we have to import this .env. Okay, so I believe most of you already know what is that, but if not sure, then probably just watch out this tutorial. Hopefully this will help you. So mostly in all production grade application or enterprise level application, this configuration is used widely. Okay, so it will be from .env import okay, load.env. okay, then probably I can write import os. Okay, so now after that, so it will be load.env, and you have to call this thing. So it will do whatever environment files up there, it will try to capture, and after that you can write the password. So this is not the password, this is API key, but again I'm just going to give a name of password. So it will be like, so os, okay, then get env, so get env. Okay, and we have a key, a API key. Okay, so I have to write something like this. Okay, so in the file I have already written. So when you are going to do this thing, we have to write over there. Okay, so let's first write this thing. Let's see whether we are getting any error or not. So it should be python 3 bot.py. so no such file and directories. What is happening here? Bot.py, this is saying error, no such file or directory. Okay, so the thing is that I'm not inside this tutorial too, so that is why the error is here. So it should be tuto. Okay, so now maybe I can write python 3. Okay, so it means something is happening. So let's try to check out the length of this character, so it will be easier. Length of pwd, so it should be more than 40 or 46 something, I don't remember actually. So it 46 means we have everything is here. Okay, see, I'm just showing you guys as well. Okay, don't worry. So this will be difficult for more of you to understand. So whatever I have did, I'll delete my API key afterwards, because I'm also streaming this on the live. So I got so many requests that what is the structure of the environment file. So environment file, you have to write something like this, and after that you have to put here. Okay, so now the actual part. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so I got this thing. Now we have to set up the Telegram bot. So for that we need to import all our Telegram specific Telegram bot specific module. So first of all, you have to write import. Okay, so import Telegram, from Telegram it will be update and bot. Okay, so I just forgot. So it will be from Telegram import, it should be update, and it should be bot. Okay, these two will be required, and two more things will be there. We need some utility and we need some extension. Okay, so it should be from Telegram. So guys, now you guys might ask me how do I know this thing. So guys, actually I have gone through the documentation, so it's written everything over there. So I am just applying all those things. Okay, so it should be updater. So then probably we might need definitely something like we need message handler. Okay, so handling message. Okay, and probably just thinking what else is required. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, nothing as such is required, I believe so. Is it anything required? Just let me think. No, I think it's enough. Now we need some utilities. So from Telegram dot utils dot request, so it should be import. This will be required to just establishing the connection with the bot. Okay, so let me just kind of write something like that. Get API key from env, and then after that let me just start creating the bot setup. Okay, so maybe I can write something like that, df and function main, like this. Okay, okay, now here we'll be going to establish the connection. So let me just create a random variable name request. So it will be request. Okay, and request will be like, we'll check for the connection timeout. So maybe I can give connect timeout maybe 0.5. Yeah, that is fine. Okay, 0.5. Okay, so then probably I can create a bot variable. So maybe it will be underscore bot. Okay, so it will be instance of this bot. Okay, so it will be capital, actually did a mistake. Okay, so it will be like bot, and there probably I need to pass the request. So maybe request is going to this request. Okay, and then probably I have to get the token. Token is nothing but our password. Okay, so token is equals to password. So my instance of my bot has been created. Okay, now we'll be going to define one updater, or declare one updater. So maybe updater equals to, so it should be t underscore bot dot updater. No, maybe we can write differently. Maybe I need this thing over here. Okay, so maybe it should be let's write updater updater. Okay, and after that we can write so updater, so our bot is equals to this bot, tbot. Okay, and then I can write use context. Okay, so use context is going to be true in our case. Okay, so our updater is created. So what is updater? Let me explain something. So our updater actually uses a dispatcher so to create some sort of front end. So if I click here, you will see the updater uses dispatcher to give a front end to us. Us means the developer. So basically with the help of this thing we can react on some sort of messages whatever is in coming to Telegram. Okay, so after dispatcher we have to add some handler, and handler is basically for handling different jobs or different operation, for example messages and other things. So you have to now add one handler. So it will be like this. I'm just thinking. This is updater equals to I just something not sure. Updater, we have created this updater. Now we have to create some dispatcher. Sorry, right, we have to now create a dispatcher. So handler is after that. So first we have created updater to create some sort of like what do you say, like kind of bridging between your dispatcher and updater, and dispatcher will go will go and add some handler on your dispatcher. So at handler can be multiple. Okay, so what will happen then, so it will give you the kind of facility to react on a different or response on different sort of operations. So this, if you see here, updater is kind of an front end to your Telegram bot. Okay, so now dp is going to be let's say updater dot dispatcher, and done. So now we have to add the handler. Okay, so dp dot add handler. Okay, so now probably I would like to add one message handler. Okay, so maybe message this is AGE. Okay, I believe here I have forgot to give is handler is going to be message handler. So not this one. So message handler. Okay, so message handler, and here in filters maybe I can write all messages I want to filters. Okay, so filters, so it should be maybe everything means message dot all. Okay, so let's say I'm just thinking, is it worthy to add something? No, I think so let's filter everything for the time being. Okay, so filter all, and now we have to create some callback. Callback means when I receive some message, this handler will call a function. Okay, so callback, so it should be I'm just going to give message handler as a function. Okay, message handler. Okay, so it will not define definitely because we haven't created this function. So let me just create this function first. So def maybe, and remember one thing, you don't need to put this braces after this thing. Okay, in callback. Okay, okay, so there what you have to do, so we'll do first thing, whenever we receive some messages to our bot, I want this to be printed on my console. So maybe I can write print, so print, then maybe update dot message dot txt. So guys, there is an important thing, you have to use update and context. Okay, so maybe you can write something like update, and maybe you can write something called context. Okay, so let's try to execute this thing to see whether we are able to get a response or not. So once this is done, you have to start the bot. So it will be like updater dot start polling. Okay, and we don't want to give any time, so it will be always constant, rather than you can give some sort of time. So it will go and check for updates after every intervals. For example, if I put 6, it will go and check for like updates after every 6 seconds. But I don't want to do that. I want to do everything kind of like always active. So for that you have to use this thing and this thing as well, idle. Okay, so this is done. So last thing will be I'm just thinking what is the last thing. So maybe I can write something if underscore name underscore equals to this should be main, right? So it should be underscore main underscore then maybe I just want to call their main function. That's it. Okay, so what will happen, so you will get a response that some polling has been started or something like that, and whenever you send some messages to this bot over here, we'll get to see it here. Okay, so before I try this thing, let me just start this bot. So I just started this bot. So after I created, I haven't interacted with this bot, so that is why it was showing start. So first initiate the communication. So now what will I would like to see, like suppose if I write hi, so this would print the hi in console. So that is what I actually did. Okay, so let's try to run this bot. So it is saying no attribute all. So here actually I did some mistake, so I don't know what mistake I did. Okay, so I did a mistake, so it should be filters maybe. Yes, right, filters. Yes, it should be filters all. Filters. Filters is saying that filters is not defined, so this is something strange. Why this is coming like this? Okay, so this is a strange error we are getting over here. So message handler, add handler. Okay, so filters equals to okay, I forgot something. So here basically I have to import that filters as well, so that is why it was showing error. So don't worry about this, guys. So this is also, as I said, like I'm also learning recently by reading the documentation and all, so it happens. So so see, yeah, it's fine. So let's try to execute this thing now. So it's always good to commit error, and after that you can fix it. Okay, so see, as I showed it will say something like connection pool, and if you see here, it's already say that this messages are already being sent. Okay, so it's interesting. So let me just try to write something, and we'll see from here. Okay, so maybe I can okay, maybe, or maybe yes. So you'll get to see over here. Okay, so maybe let's say hi. So see, immediately I get something like, say, let's see 1 2 3 4. So I get 1 2 3 4. Now I want to get a response from the bot as well. Okay, so that we would like to do it now. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so now we'd like to get a response from the bot. Okay, so that is going to be very interesting now. So how to get a response from the bot? Okay, so I believe until this part everything is right. So now there will be something very interesting. So we have to write update and then message. Okay, then reply underscore text, and probably you can write the same thing here, that maybe I can write something in if string something, you replied, or maybe you sent the following. If following, then maybe in this there probably I can write this one. Okay, that's it. So hopefully this should work. So maybe I can close the bot or stop the bot, and then probably I can start again. Okay, so bot is running. So let me again switch to here. So I want to see the response. So what will happen now, if I send hi, the bot will respond with you send the following and then hi. Okay, so let's try this thing. Let's see. So see, you send the following hi. Okay, so something how are you. Okay, so now we will got this thing. So now you want to response in something kind of like intuitive. Okay, so what we'll do now, so rather than maybe copy, maybe user message equals to this. Okay, and we'll like to print it here, just a variable thing, kind of a variable thing. Okay, so now I want to do something like if user message equals to hi, maybe dot lower equals to hi. Maybe I want my bot to be responded with something like hello, how can I help you. Okay, and maybe in else I would like to do this thing. Okay, so if the message is high, bot will reply with this thing, or else it will always say something like this. So now you understand, you can create a conversation related or bot completed even for customer service or something like that. But there definitely you don't have this multiple if and else blocks. So for a conversation you can have multiple words, multiple condition. So for that purpose you need to use some NLTK or machine learning like kind of algorithm to create some more realistic answer for your question or for your customer question, and that is definitely going to happen in real time. So the more bot will interact, the more bot will become intelligent. So this is the usual thing, and we'll discuss this thing later part when we are going to start some sort of similar like use cases. We are going to tackle some sort of similar use cases. Suppose we are going to develop a bot for a kind of a e-commerce application or e-commerce giant, and their how to interact with the customer. Okay, so you'll see that. But now probably we tackle 3 different use cases. So we got a response, like whatever message you send, you want to print that in console. After that we got a response, and now we want to be some sort of condition. Okay, so now you guys see this is purely on Python. So only few stuff which is very much specific to Telegram. Probably this you have to understand this sort of thing. Like first you have to create updater, then after that first you have to create an instance of the bot, and after that you have to create updater, and after that you have to create a dispatcher, and you have to define some message handler, and have to add those message handler inside your dispatcher, right? So this is going to be very simple. Okay, so first of all you have to request you have to create the bot with using some request. Okay, and once that is done, then you have to create this updater. Okay, and after the dispatcher. Okay, so that is the important thing. Okay, so nothing rocket science behind this thing. So I believe everybody will be able to understand if they follow this thing properly. Okay, Okay, so that's it guys. We'll try to close the stop the bot and try to again execute this thing one more time. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, all right guys, so bot has been started guys, but probably I actually kind of a cutoff in between. I don't know, like something was like kind of my whole screen got like kind of stuck actually. Okay, so now the bot has been running. So okay, so let me just send a hi first. Okay, so see how can I help you, and if I say something else, hello, let's say. So see, so if I send hi always, I only get this response, or other than this thing I get something else. So say, let's say if I just write something, I will always get this thing, like you send this thing. So only for hi I will get. Okay, okay, so that's it. This is going to be very easy and useful when you are going to learn, or initially going to start working with this Telegram bot. So guys, from the other perspective, like learning is a different thing, and how to utilize this sort of technologies for your future benefit is a different thing. So whatever you guys are learning, try to like do some sort of research like on that technology. For example, this sort of things are very much popular in mostly on the freelancing like portal. Like most of the companies are using this sort of technologies, and they generally give various or post various tasks on this sort of technologies on this freelance side. So I'm not saying just go ahead and start working on those things. Right now you guys probably just started learning these things, so but it will be good that if you guys just browse through those website and explore some already or previously posted task, and then probably you can think about how different use case can come or arise on um, this like Telegram topics, right? So this is, I'm just only saying about Telegram, but this is not limited to Telegram. It can be for anything, whatever topic you are learning. Definitely you are doing this thing for some sort of future objective, right? So if you are having into training and development field, then definitely you could browse and do some more reading. And if you're into IT, or probably your main fundamental objective is to work for your client or customer to earn some sort of money, then definitely it will be useful if you just go ahead and search on those various freelancing website, Google or other forum, what are the different use cases on those technologies, or what are the different problem are being solved by these technologies, so that this will be really helpful to you guys for further development of that technology. Because learning by watching my videos is not going to happen. Like my videos are only going to help you to develop some sort of intuition, and after that you guys can apply your own thought to make it make it large. Okay, right? But starting should happen from somewhere. So I probably can say that that's a start point or a starting point. Okay, but ultimately the more you practice, the more you invest your time and effort on this technology, definitely you will grow and grow and grow, and you will become mature, and someday you will become expert. Okay, so that is the thing. So please, after watching my videos, try to think about any use case, or if you're not able to do this thing, then try to write the same code by your own. Okay, don't just rely on my videos and after that just stop everything. After watching this video, try to apply this thing by your own. Okay, at least try to write the code, or else definitely will forget. Until and unless you are not going to apply anything, it will be like definitely like vanished from your memory after some time. Okay, so that's it. And humble request guys, please try to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share our videos with your family, friend, whoever you think are going to get some sort of benefit or help from our videos. And always try to put some sort of feedback in the form of comment, because this will also help us to understand what are the things missing, what could be done in a better way. And if you have really something good to say about us, please post it, because it will also help us to get some sort of YouTube attention, so that we can align more towards YouTube algorithm to get bigger audience. So that will also help us indirectly to bring some more motivation into our work. Okay, so enough of talking guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.